Hi, this is my first traveling video in coronavirus. We're going to Dubai, and you will see that it is a coronavirus kind of a video which will give you some kind of idea that how it feel like traveling under the influence of coronavirus. I'll give you a little bit flavor about it. You will learn a lot of things. So let's look into that. I'll give you a little bit short because we're getting late for our boarding, so you will see that. So Heathrow Airport. We are at the Heathrow Airport. This is a plane we are traveling. A wise man once said that in your old age you just need three things: books, music and love. And plus, if you have a traveling experience, then you have a stories to tell. Traveling doesn't mean that you have a luxury travel. You can have, it's just an investment in yourself. It's an investment which will pay off in your old age, in your late age. So you have a lot of stories to tell. People will sit around you and you can discuss. But this is one of the traveling video. I travel a lot. But I started my travel videos from here. So that after coronavirus, the whole plane is empty. I travel many times on Emirates Airline, on many other airlines. First time ever happened that long haul flight is that much empty. As you can see that most of the plane is empty. Coronavirus. We have just arrived and you can see that whole airport is empty because of coronavirus, and this is the first time I have seen that this airport is empty to this level. So this is giving you the flavor of it, that the effects of coronavirus. Today I'm going to give you the glimpse of Dubai, and this is the heart of Dubai after coronavirus, the effect which has taken, and you can see most of the streets are empty. You won't see any tourists at all, but it is also a good opportunity to understand that how Dubai look like. You can see that there's no one here at all. There is Dubai Mall. So you can see that this is after coronavirus. Still people are here, but are not that level. Before, when there was no coronavirus thing, there's not even a place you can stand. So there was no place to stand, so you can see that. Still not bad. You can see the coronavirus effect. So I'm just taking you the journey of after coronavirus, that how it had hit the travel industry big time. You see that after coronavirus, there's the effect you can see on my back as well. There's many people. There's not that many people. You see that before the coronavirus, there were a lot of people are here. I have given you the bird eye view as well. I'm taking you to this journey after coronavirus, the how world is changing very fast. But at the same time, giving you the idea as well that your passion and traveling shouldn't stop you. Not at that level. I just wanted to give you a little short about it, so you'll have an idea how the life is affecting after coronavirus, and then at the same time you enjoy the glimpse of Dubai Mall, which is the largest mall in the world. So you will see that surrounding. You will see that people are walking, not a great amount of people, but still there. You will see the hustle bustle here. You will see that still a lot of people are in the mosque. Hello guys. Today I decided to bring you from the hustle bustle of the city to the desert, to the quiet desert of Dubai. I found out that coronavirus do not affect you if your temperature is over 25 degrees. So here right now temperature is 32 degrees. In peak days, all the scooters, safari, everything is going around, but right now everything went so quiet, you do not see anyone. But I would urge you that once the travel restrictions will be lifted, please come and visit Dubai, where you'll get glorious sun. You can see that this whole desert is very empty, but it's look very magical as well. Temperature is very high. You can see the sun as well, that glorious sun in front of you. That how it has affected. But view is very nice. This shop I stopped over to eat mandi. It's very tasty. They're very famous for it, for making fresh mandi every single day. So I was very hungry as well. I thought why not give you a glimpse in the night at how the Dubai life looked like in the night time after coronavirus, how this has affected all over Dubai. But still, it is a very lively place, and I would urge you that whenever you get the opportunity, do come here, and you will not be disappointed. You can see that people are enjoying their food. It's a very nice place. Night is very good. Weather is great as well. So you can see that from here. It's a very nice place. Tourists are still there, mostly a restaurant, because this place is popular for it. It's very nice. Still, you can see that people are enjoying themselves. Now we are entering into Burj Al Arab. This is one of the iconic places in Dubai and Middle East. You must have seen it in many of the videos. I am in the Burj Al Arab now. After coronavirus, I was just here to see that how the things are, and it has really affected this place as well. This place used to be very busy, and it was busy with a lot of Chinese and Russian and rich people all over the world. But right now it's almost empty. You don't see a lot of people around here. So you see that it is, I am in Burj Al Arab. This place is almost empty. You won't see that many people around here. Very beautiful place, but because of coronavirus, it's very quiet. Most of the seats are empty. Very few people are sitting. 24 karat gold cappuccino. Finally, my trip has come into end. I see that, and this is the first time in my life I've been through the check-in, security, and everywhere, and there was no queue. There was not even a single person. So you can see that the coronavirus effect. So you can understand that your life could change at any minute. It was a new experience, I think once in a lifetime experience, not in a good way, but I see how the whole world has been affected because all of this. As you can see that there's no one, almost none. It's almost empty. It's like a deserted place. There's no one here in duty free. You will see the empty seats which used to be full. It's only staff. There's no one at the cafes. No one is buying anything. Finally, it is the end of my journey, and I'm going back to London now. The whole purpose of this trip was to see the after effects of coronavirus and travel industry, and I have to say that it's really hit the travel industry. I have never seen anything like this in my life before, where empty planes, empty terminals, airports everywhere. So I'm going to give you a little glimpse as well of this airplane. See that how it has affected. Plane is almost empty all the way. I would like to give the full credit to Dubai authorities and people around here as well, that how they made possible that you get the full security. They take care of all the things, everything very neat and clean, and hygienically they are making sure that you are fully aware of coronavirus effect, and they are taking whatever they could to make sure that you are fully protected. So all the credit goes to the Dubai authority, their health department, and Sheikh Mohammed as well. I think he's visionary. He's very visionary, and he's making sure that this place still stands out not only in the Middle East but all over the world. So all the credit goes to them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll come back with a new video very soon. Thank you very much.